Why do you get hiccups out of nowhere? Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. These contractions are often triggered by things like eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. When your diaphragm spasms, it forces you to inhale quickly, causing your vocal cords to snap shut, which makes that distinctive hic sound. Most hiccups go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water can help stop them. Next time you get hiccups, you'll know exactly what's going on.